Now the next parts here, these are just the effects of smoking and how it affects the lungs. I believe you can read through on your own. What I do want to point out is that over here, carbon dioxide is the one that we breathe out, but when there is carbon monoxide present, usually when the engine is running, or in cold countries, they just sit in a car, let the engine run. There is insufficient oxygen that is entering the car engine because it is stationary. So instead of carbon dioxide that is produced by the fuel burning, carbon monoxide is produced instead. So carbon monoxide itself has a higher binding affinity to hemoglobin compared to oxygen. So it binds faster and it is irreversible. Okay, which is why it decreases the ability of hemoglobin to carry oxygen. Okay, so this can eventually lead to death if too much of it is being inhaled. So patients or victims who have carbon monoxide poisoning are rushed to the hospital, and if in time, they'll be put into chambers of high oxygen concentration to compensate for the carbon monoxide binding. Okay, the rest I believe you can read on your own. Effects of smoking here. So cancer, chronic bronchitis. Bronchitis is whereby your small little hair at the bronchus, they are paralyzed, and therefore your substances that are supposed to be brushed away from the lungs is not able to, and they tend to enter the lungs. Okay, heart diseases, other risks. Okay, smoking and pregnancy. So smoking, it has carbon monoxide production, so that will reduce the amount of oxygen that is being sent to the fetus itself. So the fetus is unable to develop properly, which is why the mothers will carry all these risks.